of the panels. These panels are completely modular. You can undo a few screws and pull them all out. They're not glued, and the insulation is connected to the panel, and all the wiring is got quick disconnects on it. So you can pull a panel out and take it, work on it, and put it back in. The insulation is attached to the panel, not to the metal. So the walls just look like this. There's not glued insulation to them.
So tell me what happened when you tried to hang that one by yourself.
I dropped it and banged the end of it after drilling all these holes and gluing all the insulation.
I thought you broke one. I thought you broke one.
I can't remember. That's been many ibuprofen ago. All of these panels are,
let me go out here.
These are whiteboard.
Like the stuff you write on?
You can write on it. So here.
Ooh, wow, look at that.
It was in here. Kind of like that. Okay, so this panel, you can take it off. And this, there's going to be another panel that goes from here to here, but they're not going to overlap. And the reason for that is I want to be able to take this panel off if I want to, or this panel off, and not have to take the other one off. So all the water is going to be on this side. So this is the water for the shower, the input and the output, and it goes over there.
Through the ceiling.
Through the ceiling to the shower.
Oh, wow.
Okay, so one of them will be water source, and one of them will be the water drain, and there's going to be a pump. There's no hole in the floor, so there's no drain in the floor. There's going to be a pump that pulls the water out and brings it back over here to the gray water tank. So
wow.
This side is the water, and this side is electrical.
And the gray water tank is not underneath, it's right there.
Right.
And then you just, what do we do to get it out of the van?
Lift.
So tell me a little bit about the challenges right now that you're facing.
The heat. So I get up in the morning, I would say it's about 84 in the morning when I get up.
With a little bit of humidity.
And the humidity is over 80%. Sometimes the humidity is more than the temperature. And I can tolerate all that for about until now. And there's something about being in a metal tube in Texas. I'm not sure what that's all about, but that's a little bit hotter. So some of these panels are not, there's insulation kind of pushing on it. So I'm going to make probably 3D print like a little block that has a screw in it that clips in there and kind of holds everything where it's a little bit more perfect.
I kind of like the quilted look.
That hurt. I got this in, I screwed all this in, and it wouldn't go all the way up. And I battled and battled and battled, and I had to tear the whole thing out. And I found out that there was a wire nut for this light was over here, in between, and it wouldn't let my screw go all the way in.
Do you need me to help you hold something to put anything up right now?
Right now? No. I won't need that until you go in.